see the driver saw the biker in time and managed to hold at the right moment. The driver from opposite direction lost control of the vehicle in panic, heading straight for the biker. This biker faced a great test of patience, and as we will see, he succeeded.
Oh yeah. What was that? What was that? You nearly hurt me, mate. Mate, you nearly took me out back there, overtaking that bus. And I was alongside you as well. Yeah, man. Mate, you were alongside... Yeah, you overtook the bus, and you came cut into our lane. Mate, that don't give you the right to come into my lane and push me that way.
High speed and braking a corner straightened the bike, throwing it out of the way.
You good, bro? You good, bro? Oh, bro, you gotta be careful. On the turn, you don't want to speed up.
No, I just want to look at her.
Your bar is good? Wait, move it on the... Here, put the kickstand down. Kickstand.
You're good.
Alright.
When I tried to slow down, bro, I was just going too fast.
Yeah. Well, I was like, bro, you passed me. I was like, dude, you shouldn't have sped up, because I saw like that turn right there.
As we can see, the biker didn't even try to convince the driver.
Can I help you? Are you off? No. So why do you off?
Would you speak to a copper like that?
No, you're not a copper, are you? So why are you doing your job? Why don't you off? You
Centre Nottingham.
I'm sat in my car. I'm not bothering anybody. You're bothering me now, so why don't you just stick to what you're doing? I'll stick to what I'm doing, and we'll both be alright, won't we?
It seems that the driver is completely not concerned with the regulation as well as with the explanation of the biker.
How you doing, sir?
Do me a favor.
Yes.
Bring your tag back so I can read.
What's that?
Bring your license plate back so I can read.
Oh, yeah.
You guys are rolling around on bicycles, and the vehicle can't identify your bike when the license plate is not readable.
I know. When I hit bumps, it hits this and it bends it up.
You need to get like a more correct license plate.
I know.
Dawaj!
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.